Now we will do general weakness. So, what are the signs of general weakness? You feel weak, giddy. So signs are giddiness. And what are the causes for general weakness? The main cause could be you have missed out on a meal, did not have anything to eat for a long time. So, what is the first aid for that? If someone is feeling weak, you give him an energy drink. So, which is the best energy drink? If you have glucose, mix 3 or 4 spoons in 1 glass of water. That is the best energy drink, glucose. If you don't have glucose, you can give sugar. Powdered sugar is glucose, which is better, otherwise, just sugar. So, this is because your brain is not getting enough oxygen. So, you feel giddy. So, this is for general weakness. But if someone is actually feeling giddy, then what is the first aid? The second would be to give him a energy drink. But if he is feeling giddy, if he is only having general weakness, then this is enough. But if he is feeling giddy also, then the first one will be lay him down. Now, why you want to lay him down? There are two reasons. First is he might fall and injure himself to reduce injury. And the second reason is when he is lying down, it is easy for the heart to give blood to the brain. Because here, if he is standing up, the heart is pumping against the gravity. So, that is one reason. So, lay him down. And then the second thing is lift his feet. So, his feet should be lifted up. Now, why we are doing this? Lifting his feet, so that blood does not go to his feet, and that blood can also additional blood can go to his brain. That is the reason. So, this is the first action. If he is feeling giddy, lay him down, lift his feet, and the third would be give him a sugar energy drink. So, now let's do which are the most nutritious food to eat, types of food. The best one is salads and uncooked vegetables. This is the best type of food to eat because they are very low in calories. 1 kg of them might be having less than 100 200 calories, maximum 500. Very low. After that, we come to cooked vegetables. Also very low in calories, but here the problem is much of the nutrition is wasted. When you cook something, the nutrition value becomes much less. So that is the problem in cooking. These are uncooked. This is also. Third priority would be fruits. Fruits have the same nutrition as salads, vegetables, but they have some calories because they are sweet. Especially mangoes, they are high in calories, and chiku, grapes, pineapple. But you can still have them. They are not very high in calories. So these are the best foods. After that, fourth priority, you can come to grains. Wheat, for example, wheat, rice. These have about 1,000 calories per kg. This is also per kg. So these are little high. They have carbohydrates. So you can have a little of them, not much. These you can have as much as you like All these three things. Next priority comes to fish, white meat. White meat means fish, chicken, seafood. Seafood will have fish as well as other types, shellfish, etc. These have approximately 1500 calories. Fish is also supposed to be very healthy. It has got omega 3 acids which are good for the brain, proteins, and after that we come to red meats. Definition of red meat is any four-legged animal, and white meat is birds which has got two legs, birds, and seafood. Red meat comes to about 4,000 up to 5,000 calories, 4 to 5,000, very high. Especially pork is the highest. Then you come to white sugar, which is not good. White sugar has got about 6,000 calories per kg. So these are to be avoided. This you can have little, this little more. This you can have as much as you like. The last one is cooking oil. Maximum calories 9,000. So deep fry items try to avoid or reduce as much as possible. Stir fry sometimes is okay. Another two good items are garlic. Try to have every day. Garlic will come in all in uncooked vegetables. But garlic you should chew, not in tablets. They are not good. Chew along with the food because garlic has got dilute sulfuric acid. It can burn your mouth. So have it along with the food. Very small pieces and chew. Second priority comes to garlic. Garlic ginger is also very good for health. Garlic is natural medicine to reduce your blood pressure. It makes the blood thin and it also increases the diameter of your arteries, opens arteries. Same what aspirin is doing, making the blood thin, opening arteries. There's another allopathic medicine, but they have side effects. So this is a natural medicine. Ginger. Third priority is onions. Almost zero calories. In fruits, there's the best fruit is apple. It is a negative calorie food. Means one apple has got 50 calories only. One apple. But when you eat it, your body consumes 60 calories. So it is a negative calories. Its net calories minus 10. Now why does your body consume 60 calories? Because your food, apple has to be digested, your stomach is moving, your jaws are also moving for digesting the apple. So this is about nutrition.